Hey guys, this is Tarun here from Minus Gateway. This is a follow-up on the Flux video that I made previously. So I found that miniZ miner gives better efficiency and more souls per second mining with miniZ on Flux, so on Hive OS. So stay tuned for that video. Hey guys, so we are back. In my previous video, we were discussing about mining Flux with Gminer. Turns out that mining with miniZ miner, you get more souls per watt and better efficiency as well. So I've been testing this for about 5 days, and not only that, I also found out that mining with miniZ seems to be more efficient and also it runs a lot more efficiently as well. I have not made any changes to the overclocks here that I'm using, so it has been the same overclocks and I'm getting better souls per second as well as better efficiency. Here are the results that I wanted to share on the screen. I'll put it up here on the corner so that you get an idea of what is the difference between mining with G miner and mining with miniZ miner. Seems to be that miniZ is a lot more efficient in mining Flux compared to G miner, and right now mining Flux seems to be a little bit more profitable. One of the reasons being is that the parallel assets feature as well, where you get that little bit extra of Flux sent to you when as a part of a payout when you're mining Flux with any of the mining pools. So if you take a look, this is one of the rigs that I'm mining Flux with. So I have one 1050 Ti which is running about 13.31 souls at about 99 core and 450 memory, and the 1650 is doing, this is the Asus tough one, it is doing about 14.30 souls. If you go to my other system which has the 1650 Galax one, I'm getting better souls here, 15.91, right? And that is the case across all these cards, all these three 1650s. And the Ino 3D Micron memory one 1050 Ti, I'm getting about 12.05 souls. So uh, if you would have noticed the screenshot, there is a substantial difference between G miner and miniZ miner. I'm getting about 102 souls with miniZ with G miner, and more than about 100 and close to about 114 souls for the miniZ miner. And I have not made any changes to the overclocks. I've left it as it is, and they seem to be running pretty smooth without any issues or concerns. The gaps that you see in my graph are due to power outages that has been taking place in where I live. From past few days, they have been doing some maintenance work, so the power goes out very frequently and comes back on, and these systems automatically start mining. So looks like for mining Flux, miniZ miner is the way to go as of now, unless we have some other mining software coming up and giving us better efficiency. So apart from that, I do not have anything else. Feel free to use these overclocks on your own rigs, and you can fine tune them further based on your card. And until the next video, you guys stay safe during these difficult times, and take care of yourself. Please, if you like my content, please do like, share, and subscribe. It encourages me to do more videos and contents. And I will see you in the next video. You guys take care. Thank you.